So apparently a lot of people, well at least my mates, don't know how to do this algebra puzzle for one of the steps to get the Beamsmasher. Whether it's because the math is the last thing you want to do in zombies or you don't actually understand how to do it. Whatever the case is, I decided to make this video. This video is a guide just for the algebra puzzle and not the rest of the quest to obtain the Beamsmasher. So first, find the computers that are labelled as X, Y or Z. Take note of what letter corresponds to the symbol you find. The first computer is located just outside of Quick Revive on this balcony here. The second computer is located just outside of Stamina Up on this balcony here. And the third and final computer is located opposite of the tunnel that is leading to PhD, just before the stairs that go down to one of the dinghies. Once you have all of these, go back to the room where you build the Beamsmasher and interact with the terminal here. Once you do, you will be able to input a code. At the bottom of your screen, there will be 3 symbols that you picked up that are on post-it notes. They correspond with a letter which corresponds to a number located on this whiteboard here. To get each number, you need to input these numbers into these algebraic equations. The first whiteboard has symbols on it which align with numbers on both the X and Y axis. These represent digits which belong to a 2-digit number. The numbers on the X-axis will be the first digit, while the numbers on the Y-axis will be the second digit. Let's use my game as an example. These are my 3 symbols. X is a black circle with a white circle behind it. This symbol lines up with the number 1 on the X-axis and 1 on the Y-axis. The number representing the letter X is 11. The symbol for the Y is white, black, black, white, looking one, however you want to say it. This lines up with 2 on the X-axis and 1 on the Y-axis. The number for Y is 21. The symbol for Z is a white circle. This symbol aligns with 0 on the X and Y-axis, meaning the number representing Z is 0. I made a chart which shows the symbols and their corresponding numbers. Keep in mind the symbols which correspond to the letters change every game. So, now for the fun part. The first equation is 2x plus 11. As we know, x is equal to 11, so we substitute this into the equation, which makes it 2 times 11 plus 11, which is equal to 33. The first number to the code is 33. The second equation is 2z plus y, in brackets, take 5. As discussed before, y is equal to 21 and z is equal to 0. When you substitute both of these numbers into the equation, it becomes 2 times 0 plus 21, take 5, which equals 16. The second number for the code is 16. The third and final equation is, in brackets, y plus z, take x. Again, substitute the letters for numbers. The equation will become 21 plus 0, in brackets, take 11, which equals 10. The third number for the code is 10. The code we input now will be 33, 16, 10. Just be aware and keep in mind that there are other ways around this. People have made calculators and spreadsheets available on the internet in which you can input the 3 symbols you get and it will give you the code for you. Or alternatively, you can pay peck 5,000 points for the code. I hope this video is useful to a lot of you. I actually really enjoyed the puzzle step in this because I enjoy puzzle steps in many zombies maps, and I found it really fun and it saves 5,000 points. I hope you guys liked the video and it's not like too long or anything. And that's really all I have to say. Enjoy the video. Ciao.